Go ahead.
Ace is curious.
That's on bike, right?
This is Ozzy.
Ozzy, oh hey Ozzy, it's nice to finally meet you. I've heard so much about you.
Hi, Ozzy.
That's yours.
Jaira, you didn't get close to it, Jaira. I thought you wanted to ride, Jaira.
I do, but not supposed to.
Huh?
I do.
I've never done
Yeah, I'm finna say I roll.
I like to go to
What do you feed him?
I'm sorry?
What do you feed him?
I feed him.
very expensive food.
Yeah, $16 a bag.
And how long will the bag last?
About 2 weeks.
Okay, it's like dog food.
Before it lasted me about 5 days.
You be on the diet now?
No, because he's out eating grass. I don't have to
Oh
feed him so
yeah.
much.
Okay, so where was he before you brought him here?
He was over at my friend's house, right by the school. That's fair. And then he got hurt, so we brought him here. But before that, he was over at a barn that I couldn't afford, so Mary paid for it.
So how expensive are they to maintain?
It's not. It's a lot. Because I did the math this morning. I think it's about $2,000 a year.
You said 2?
2,000,
Okay.
which isn't as bad as it was before.
You're right, he said bye, horsey. Jaira, get from behind me.
It's okay.
Go with your cousins, Jaira. Jaira, stop. Stop acting up.
Oh, he has.
She's acting. Riley's not afraid.
He's 16 hands.
What does that mean?
You're wrong, man.
Big hands, he's 16 all the way down.
Jaja, even Riley
Oh,
touched
is that how
him.
you do that? So is he fully grown? Or?
I can touch
Oh,
him.
he's fully grown. Okay.
Jaja, touch
So,
him.
okay, what is his
Jaira's
favorite thing for
hiding.
you to do? Like, you know, dogs like you to rub around the ear or they follow
This
you.
part was messed
Back.
up.
Right there.
Okay, just move that.
More curious.
Oh, when you see new people.
So big.
He's like, wait a minute. They're my color.
Mommy, can horse I can tell.
You scaring them?
The horse, the other horse is out there. Hey, no, not that one.
So who else lives here besides him?
There's 2 in there, which I was chasing them around earlier this morning to get that one spy mask on.
Oh.
And then there's this mare, and there's actually a llama.
There's a llama here?
There's a llama.
There's a mare.
That's yours too?
Yeah. I don't like
Why you don't like llamas?
because they spit on everything.
Yeah.
Everything?
Llamas.